Yeah, let's get back to reality. Here we go. Forget that sunshine for the moment. Good morning, everybody. It really is looking like the weather is going to be keeping us on our toes over the next few days. Many of us waking up to a winter wonderland. Yes, an empty road, but there has been some heavy snow in parts of Scotland, as you can see here, and in Northumberland and parts of North Yorkshire. Lying snow in excess of 10 centimetres in some places. And I've just put Cranwell in Lincolnshire on this chart because there is a centimetre of snow, and there could be a little more as we go through the afternoon. There's also been some heavy rain as well today. Over 50 millimetres of rain recorded in Greater Manchester. That's brought some localised flooding. There's that rain over the last few hours. You can see quite clearly where the snow is across Scotland, down through the north of England and into parts of Lincolnshire, and some heavy rain at the moment as well, still in that southeast corner. Now, what you've got at the moment is pretty much going to stay with you through the afternoon, but it will weaken off a little. And then out to the west, we keep some cloudier skies, a rather murky end to the afternoon here. Some brightness, some glimpses of sunshine perhaps into Northern Ireland. In terms of the feel of the weather, well, it's going to be cold where the rain and the snow lingers. Temperatures really struggling, 2, 3, maybe 4 degrees if you're lucky, a little bit milder out to the west. But that weather front continues to decay through the night tonight, and things quieten down, but that will bring with it another set of problems. With light winds, some clearer skies, we could see some widespread freezing icy patches and some freezing fog around as well. I'm not going to be too clever about it. Almost anywhere apart from the southwest is likely to see those as an issue. So if you do have to make an essential journey tomorrow morning, it really is worth bearing in mind. Ice and freezing fog could be a problem. Tune into your BBC local radio station for the best advice on traffic and travel first thing. But on Friday, we've got this brief ridge of high pressure building, quietening things down before the next system arrives on Saturday. But it does mean that Friday will eventually be a quieter day. Yes, the icy stretches, the foggy patches may well linger way into the morning, but hopefully they should lift away. We'll see some brightness, certainly a drier day right across the country before more wet and windy weather pushes in from the west by the end of Friday. So that's Friday. By Saturday, then, the start of the weekend, I'm afraid, looks pretty miserable once again. River levels are starting to get pretty high now, so we'll need to keep an eye on this as we see a spell of wet and windy weather moving its way across the country. So the first half of the weekend looks wet and fairly miserable. The second half of the weekend looks better, drier, brighter for all. There you go, Jane.